So let's look at an example here using integration by parts on a definite integral. We want to integrate from 1 to e ln of x dx. So we first need to pick our u and our dv. And remember, you want to pick u so it has a simpler derivative and dv so it's easy to integrate. So, well, let's see here. If we got two pieces here, log x and dx, if we pick the u to be dx, which is really 1 dx, that'll definitely have a simpler derivative. It'll be 0. Or I guess actually this would just be the 1, and the du is going to have the dx in it. So our dv would be ln of x dx. And we would have to integrate this, right? We want to get a du and we want to get a v. So we'd have to integrate ln of x. Well, we don't know what the antiderivative of ln x is, so it doesn't look like this choice is going to work. So why don't we switch things out here? So the ln x, let that be our u, and then 1 dx is going to be our dv. So du, if we differentiate ln of x, we get 1 over x dx. That's definitely a simpler derivative. And then the antiderivative of 1 is just x. And remember, our plus a constant, we let that be 0. So then we want to do uv minus integral v du. So this is u dv. And we're going to rewrite that. We want uv minus integral v du. So our uv is our diagonal product, so that's going to be x ln x. That is going to be evaluated from 1 to e. And then minus integral from 1 to e of v du, which is our bottom row product, so x 1 over x dx. And these x's will cancel, and we're just integrating 1. Well, that's definitely a simpler derivative. So this will be x ln of x from 1 to e, and then minus the definite integral from 1 to e of 1 dx. And that's going to be x ln x from 1 to e minus antiderivative 1 is just x, and that's going to get evaluated from 1 to e. So if we plug in e here, we get e ln e minus, go ahead and plug in a 1, 1 times ln of 1, and then minus, plug in e, plug in 1 and subtract. So it'd just be e minus 1. And then log of e here is 1, and log of 1 is 0. So this is just e times 1, which is e. And let's go ahead and remove the parentheses here and change our signs because of that negative there. So this will be minus e and plus 1. And those guys cancel out, and we just get 1 for an answer. Typical teacher problem, right? Go through all that work and you get 1.